Ang role ko po dito ay si Sulo, isang itinatwa. He's an outcast of the society. So, yung bubog niya sobrang lalim kaya hindi siya nakaabot sa kaharian. At yung nang pinanggagalingan ng pait, yung galit, sobra talagang poor. Kaya lahat ng suot ko pang common tao and they had to darken my complexion. So, every time sa set, even my
Yeah.
stash, naka-prosthetics ako and yung costume ko, mabaho siya. Parang ganun. Mabaho siya. Pero nakatulong po siya sa akin. Kasi walang makalapit sa akin. Lapot na lapot ako tapos ang dumi-dumi kong tignan. There was so much internalization I had to go through because of the depth of his pain. So that's why I was always serious. I didn't want to break character because napaka-importante nung interest ng character ko sa pelikula. So I had to hold on to it until the end, especially during a scene wherein sabi nga ni Bossing lakad ako, I was pacing back and forth because sobra yung emotion ko. Alam mo yung pag-i-internalize mo, pag nandun ka na, pag-take, ang ganda. Pero baka makalimutan mo, 5 to 7 more takes pa, iba-ibang angulo pa, ulitin mo pa yan. So it was hard. It was really hard. Pero pag nandun ka na, yun yung magic ng pelikula eh. Once that you know you're the character, you just let it flow. You just let it glide.